I think we said it before, but let me just to clarify. So the water must come from a human force. So basically, we said if you open once and close, like for example, if you want to wash your hands for the bread meal, right? So you open with the left hand on the right, close. Second time, close, and then same on the left hand. One close. So every flow should come as a direct of your action. So it is possible, right? But we say it's if you have no other choice. Yeah, but it is possible, yes. And same in the morning. So we said she doesn't have a cup. Okay, there is no problem. I mean, no cup whatsoever. So no cup whatsoever. So same, one time close, one time close, one time close, one time close, and that's it. 3 times alternative right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay.